What is absolutely happening, guys? I actually want to record my review of the Bird and Lime scooter.
Wait, can I
Due to the fact that I got a Lime scooter and ran out of battery, and then I have a Bird scooter, and I like the Bird one better because it's like
edgy and black.
It's edgy and black, and also feels better, and the pedals are different when you brake and go. However, Lime has a much better payment system. You just pay by the minute rather than putting payment on the scooter, and then what if you run out of money, or what if you don't ever want to use it again? Like
Bird, you can use Bird is the word as a stunt video.
But Lime, you remember LimeWire from when you were 5 years old and you pirated songs, and your neighbor pirated songs for you.
Oh, yours has a foot pad there too.
Yeah, there's a foot.
Ours is supposed to have a sticker that says "Do not step."
But this one's purposely you step. It's a foot pad. It's a brake. And Bird was first. Lime was second.
Is that a foot pad, like an actual brake version?
Yeah, it says
Does
brake.
go down?
It says brake.
Remember in Gus's video?
Yeah.
They covered the word bird.
It said turd.
Turd.
Yeah. But yeah, any other reviews from you guys?
I'd say I'd have to like Lime better just because it's green.
Lime
I
goes
wish-
faster, or it might just be Jared's.
I wish
they would go faster.
Yeah, what's your top speed on that
Mine's
bird, Jared?
15. Mine's 15, I think. Yeah, 15.
think
But
they're
when we
all
went to
15.
the downhill
I think
thing, I
mine's-
floored it and I
legally
hit
have
like
to be
20.
15.
Probably.
Oh,
Wait.
I do like on Lime how they have the dial thing with all the things on it. So
Jared,
that's good.
let's go to speed. Also,
What?
an advantage he has.
Oh yeah, well I can
His
just,
is the only one with
I
it.
can just scream. Mine had it, but I ran out of it. Yeah. Cool. And there you go. We're at the Cincinnati Reds Stadium also. Screw the Reds.